Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the color on your GB120 Buzzaround Carry-On scooter. They just released a bunch of new colored panel options, and if you have a GB120, you already know it's one of the best travel scooters on the market because you can tilt and roll it into the trunk of your car. You don't have to deadlift anything. It is TSA friendly and our customers love it, so by popular demand, we decided to make a video to show you how you can upgrade your GB120 if you want to change the colors. Originally, it was only available in red and blue. Now it's available in a plethora of different colors. We're going to show you what tools you need and how to get the job done. It's pretty straightforward, so if you want to grab yourself a panel kit, give us a call. Visit our website. We do sell them. You will need a flathead tiny screwdriver and a Phillips head driver, and we'll walk you through the process. But before we do that, I want to tell you about our free product catalog. If you want a copy, it has our latest products, discount codes, and more. Go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also just call our non-commissioned sales experts with the number below, or click on the right-hand corner of the screen where it says get free catalog, and it'll take you right to the form. We also would love to answer any questions that you have. If you're interested in purchasing any mobility products, we have a 5-star reputation and we'd love to earn your business. I do want to also tell you about our YouTube channel. If this is the first time stopping by, we appreciate you visiting, but we do have tons of videos. And if you subscribe and leave a comment, you could win a free mobility scooter. That's right. Like the last few winners you're seeing on the screen now, all they did was they hit the subscribe button and they left a comment on any video. By doing so, you could win a free mobility product. We select random subscribers of our YouTube channel all the time, and we surprise them with a free mobility product. So hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. So again, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. You'll want to pop off the back 2 panels, which don't have any screws. You can literally just use a tiny flathead screwdriver and pop them right out. They just have these little spring-loaded cups that fit into the body, and you can just pop them right out carefully. Try not to scratch your panels. You may want to use a knife, but I recommend a really small flathead screwdriver to get the back 2 panels off. To get the other panels off, what we're going to do first is remove the seat and fold the scooter so we can tilt it on its side. So you'll need to remove the seat, fold the platform for the seat down, take the basket off, and fold down the tiller, also known as the handlebar. Once you have everything folded flat, go ahead and tilt it on its side. And we'll start by removing the long panels on the floorboard on the left and the right side. There's just 2 screws at the bottom that you'll need to access. Just remove those 2 screws with your Phillips head driver, and you'll see that they just fall right out. There's really nothing holding them in place other than the screws. So a total of 4 screws, and you'll have those 2 side panels off. Then to remove the front smaller panels, there's 1 screw holding each one of them in. It's the smaller of the 2 screws that you'll see underneath that panel. The bigger screw holds the light kit. So don't remove the light, just remove the panels. And again, just take out that tiny screw with your Phillips head driver and they should fall right out. Now, you'll notice on the new panels, they have little slots in them so that you can pop them out. I don't know why, because there's screws holding them in place, but hey, that's cool. They modified the panels a bit. So we're just going to reinstall the side panels first, the long ones with the 2 screws at the bottom. Very straightforward at this point. You pretty much can expect what to do. Now, I will tell you that if you have an older version and you buy the new panels, you're going to have a hard time with the front panels. The front panels, little threaded holes for the screws are longer, and it prevents them from going in. So what did we do? We just clipped off a piece of the little threaded piece, and it fits. So if you do have that problem, just cut off a little piece of that threaded hole and make it a little shorter. It'll fit right in. The rest of the pieces go in just fine, no problem. So I hope this has been helpful, and if you want to pimp out your new ride with some new color flair, feel free to do so. Give us a call. We sell the colored panels separately for a good deal, and you'll be able to ride in style with that new color you always wanted. I hope you found this video helpful. Like always, leave a comment if you have any questions. We will respond within 1 business day. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, everybody. Have a great day.